Welcome everyone. What an exciting game to watch today. Union Zebras scoring 161, looking really confident in defending that. And then Central Sunrisers coming in and knocking that as if there's almost 10 overs left on the board. Sean Fisher really doing well for the Central Sunrisers, being a pinnacle point for them in this game. Tonde, unfortunate not pulling this one through today. Union Zebras really putting on a good score, maybe a bit lacking in the bowling.
Yeah, and the fielding as well, but it was some great batting from Sean, so congratulations to them.
Okay, good stuff. All the best in the next games, and we hope to see you on the field again. Really batting well today, must say.
Sure.
JP, congrats with the win. Playing really well, I must say. We had a bit of a worry there in the bowling session with some of the fielding not going that way, of your way. I saw you lost a bit of your patience with some of the fielders.
Yeah.
Take me through your game ethics and the thing that happened throughout, and just tell me how you guys approached the game.
Well, look, I mean, Sean is a superstar. To have him in the team is always a plus. And we knew it was only a few innings away that he's actually going to pull through and actually put up a big score. So it all came together today, and that side of it. Unfortunately, bowling-wise, fielding-wise, wasn't there where it should be. But we've got another game tomorrow, so hopefully we can put all aspects together and actually just, show what we're capable of as a team.
And how do you feel now?
Yeah, like a lot off your shoulders. So yeah.
First one on the board, congrats. Hope
Thanks.
to see you guys in the next one as well.
Thanks very much.
Then I would like to call to the front, Sean Fisher, man of the match. Sean, just quickly want to pop those stats up again. Looking at your innings, I must say everyone sitting around the field, brilliantly to watch. Not one mistake by you today. Scoring 104 or 47, I think that's close to a 240 strike rate, somewhere there around about. And with the ball in hand, taking 1 of 26, and you allowed 4 overs. Brilliant you played today. What was the change for you? Was there a change, or did you just feel play with a bit more relaxation today in that sense? Not a lot of pressure on you guys?
Well, to be honest, I've been struggling with timing the ball the last couple of games. I think I struggled to adapt to the pace of the wicket and the pace of the bowlers. And today I just told myself to wait a bit longer and play inside my box.
Didn't look like there was any timing problems in the last 6 on the field, almost hitting the United Sports Club clubhouse. So really well batted. It was really exciting to watch and brilliantly done by the team as well. Good stuff, thank you. Then I would like to call to the front, youngster, the captain, Ruan Conradi, son of JP Conradi. Ruan. Firstly, doing really well with the ball in hand, 2 wickets for 28 runs of your allowed 4 overs, and then coming into accompany Sean Fisher, I think that helped him a lot. And batting with a guy like Sean must be really nice. Must say, no slack from your side. You really looked well with the bat in hand as well. Just take me through your game. What was your plan with the ball in hand, and what was your plan with the bat in hand?
Yeah, with the ball I was just trying to dot them up, cramp them for space, and just put them under pressure. And then my third over went for a few runs, but from there I pulled it back with a few wickets. From the batting side, I just wanted to go in, give Sean a bit strike, keep him on his game, and then from there just hit a few, just keep my head down and just go through the shot.
Ron, really well played there from you as well, and good luck with the next games coming in. That concludes our prize ceremony for this match, and we hope to see you in the next match. Thank you.